Getting back to our PairCam model, we're going to talk about parametric constraints and how we can use a variable to define a lot of our measurements and do calculations with it. In order to do this, first thing we'll do is I'm going to come up to the variable button. I'm going to click on the X and I'm going to type in nominal dia. Now, this is an abbreviation for nominal diameter, and I want to type in 2.5 inches. Now, a nominal diameter is a value that we're going to use to compare against for the rest of our constraints. It may not actually be used in the model, but it allows us to use a single point to do calculations against. Notice that there are no spaces in the name. If there are spaces, it will cause errors in the variable. I'm going to click the green check mark. I also want to drag this to the top of the browser over here. That way this will apply to everything that comes after it. I want to go ahead and go back into the sketch. I'll go to my front view, and I see that here I have a dimension of 2 inches, 0.2 inches, or 2 inches. If I double click on it, instead of typing in a value, I'm going to type in that NO for nominal diameter. And then I'll press enter. It automatically changes this value so that it corresponds with the value I have entered in nominal diameter. Well, I'm going to enter another figure. I'm going to do a circle here. This would allow my extrusion to have a hole in the middle. But I want to make sure this has an exact value. So like before, I'll dimension it. And here it says it has a value of 0.274. Let's say I want to add another parameter here. I want to do a $sign and give it a new name, axial diameter. When I hit enter, it'll open up the window and let me type in a new value, which I'll say is 0.25. Now we see this appears before our sketch and extrusion. I'll hit enter. It will adjust and reveal the actual dimension. When I click the sketch to refresh it, I'll see that a few things have changed and I'll need to adjust my extrusion. If I click here on extrude, I see that I lost this side. I'll simply select the face that I missed. I may need to go through and reselect my faces. And click the green check mark, and my cam is back.